Hi folks, this is Carl Stitz, co-author of Pre-Calculus by Carl Stitz and Jeff Zeger. And I'm just going to take a minute or two of your time to introduce you to some enhanced versions of our textbooks currently available on our website, www.stitz-zeger.com. So once you access our website, you can click here on OSTTS. OSTTS is an acronym for Ohio's Scaffold to the Stars, which is the title of a Next Generation Learning Challenge project headed up by the good folks down at OhioLink in Columbus. This page allows you to download electronic versions of our so-called enhanced books, enhanced with this content from Scaffold to the Stars. So what is this content? What does it look like? Well, let's pull up the pre-calculus book, and we'll go to the table of contents. And let's say we're working on the homework, let's say in Chapter 4, Section 4.3, you're working on the homework, and you're working through the first batch, you're getting stuck, and you want some extra direction on how to solve equations that involve rational expressions. Well, we've got a little link here now at the point of need. You click on that, and what that does is it takes you to the Ohio Scaffold to the Stars website. Now, don't freak out about this login page. If you're part of the grant, then you have a login ID. If you're not part of the grant, you can still access this site for free. You just make up your own ID. Here's one suggestion. You've got your initials and then the month and year you were born. You can really make up any ID you want. We just ask that you be consistent with your ID. So I'm going to make up an ID here, and I'm going to record that ID. And what this does is it gives me access to, in this case, a bunch of videos that help me solve rational equations. So if I click on this one, I think this one takes me to a Khan Academy video, and so I can play the Khan Academy video. It gives a little tutorial on that project. You only have to enter this username once. It gets stored in a cookie. So let's say I'm working on some other section, or let's say I'm down here. I get into these work rate problems, so I'll click on that. I don't have to enter my username. It's been stored in a cookie. But once again, we've got some links here to some Khan Academy videos solving these things. So once again, it's just another resource, another free resource to help you help your students learn the pre-calculus material. Thanks for your time, and thanks for your support of our project.